On today's menu, one of my absolute favorites, crispy baked potato wedges.
This is definitely one of my favorite recipes, and literally the oven does most of the work.
Preheat your oven to 425. Potato. Mixing bowl. Salt and pepper.
This is amazing smoked paprika.
Olive oil. Toss. Baking tray, parchment paper.
Now normally you have to toss the fries halfway through cooking time just to get them really nice and crispy, but the secret to potato wedges, and why I love them so much, is that if you place them on the skin side down, the air inside the oven will actually go all the way around the potato wedge. So this way it'll get really nice and crispy, you don't have to toss them.
Into the oven for 40 minutes and broil on low for another 10.
I mean, seriously, just look at those incredible potato wedges.
The easiest, most incredible potato wedges.